Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we are doing vanos rebuild on my e46. So this morning went to my brother's work, used a smoker machine, and we finally found the vacuum leak. And it's kind of funny because it's probably been there like that for over a year now, because when we pulled the intake manifold off when I bought the car about a year ago, and that's when we did the PCV system, but that's where the vacuum leak is from. So we're gonna try and get that covered. Right now I'm just pulling apart the front of the valve cover off, and we're gonna dig into the vanos. I'll try and film as much as I can, and thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, it's hot as shit in here. Alright, so I got the valve cover off. I'm about to take the fan off and pull out anything else that's in my way, and then we can dive in and get into the vanos pulled apart. Alright, y'all. So I filmed up until what I think I did all the way up until like putting the vanos back on. I think you guys captured me snapping one of the studs to the vanos, so I had to pull it back off, and then we found a screw that I was able to put in there and replace that stud. After that, I put everything back together, new valve cover gasket and all that, everything's back together. We also finally fixed the vacuum leak that was in there, and that's plugged now. So everything should run pretty smoothly. All the vanos is rebuilt. We got a new solenoid in there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and have a nice night.